Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gcash and signing in so you control billing. Once logged in, go directly to Menu and find Settings. This keeps you in the billing zone. Next, open Linked Accounts or Bills and Subscriptions where recurring services live. Make sure you know whether Netflix was paid via Gcash wallet or a linked card. That determines which record you'll remove. Doing this first prevents accidental changes to unrelated payments and speeds the cancellation steps ahead. Once you've accessed subscriptions, scan the active list for Netflix and tap it to view details. This shows the next billing date and payment source. If it's a linked card, you might instead remove the card under linked accounts after canceling at Netflix. Tap Cancel or turn off auto-renew, then confirm when prompted so Gcash stops forwarding payments. Make sure you record or screenshot the confirmation ID and on-screen message. That proof helps if a charge appears after cancellation. After canceling, verify the subscription status shows canceled or inactive and check your email for confirmation. This completes the stop on future bills. If a charge still posts, act quickly. Open Gcash Help, submit a dispute with the confirmation ID and transaction timestamp, and attach screenshots. As a last resort, remove the linked card or block merchant charges to prevent rebilling, then re-add the card later. This step protects your funds, while support resolves any lingering authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.